What's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the sensor on your Sony mirrorless camera. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to try to make a lot more of these quick tips, like really short videos about Sony mirrorless cameras, along with my normal videos like every week or every other week or so. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you want more of these really quick tips Sony mirrorless camera videos. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the sensor. So this is really simple. It's kind of scary, but if you know what you're doing, it's really easy to do and you shouldn't worry about it at all. And so the only thing you need besides, of course, a camera is a sensor cleaning kit. And now I'm gonna link the one I use down in the description. It's on Amazon, it's cheap, and you get free Prime shipping. So definitely check out that one in the link in the description. And if you do buy it through my link, I'll get a small kickback at no extra cost to you. So it helped me make more of these videos and you get an awesome product. So like I said, feel free to check out that link down in the description. And so for this, I used an Aps-C sensor cleaning kit because I'm actually cleaning my Sony a6000 sensor. Now this Aps-C cleaning kit will work on an a6000, a5000, a6400, any a6000 or 5000 series, as well as all the NEX cameras like the NEX 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you have like a Sony a7 series or an a9 or something like that, that's gonna be a full frame sensor cleaning kit. And so you can get the same one just in different sensor sizes. But for an a6000, 5000 or NEX camera, it's gonna be the Aps-C cleaning kit. So now once you open up the cleaning kit, there's this like liquid solution and then there's these swabs. So go ahead and take out one of the swabs, but don't touch it to anything. Don't get any dirt or dust or grime on it. That will literally ruin your sensor if there's like a dirt particle on it that scratches your sensor. So don't touch it to anything, make sure it's perfectly clean. And then just drip 2 drips of the solution on one side of it, kind of towards the tip. And so you just want a little bit of liquid. You don't want it to be like drenched or soaked or anything like that. Just about 2 drops of liquid kind of towards the end of it. And what you're gonna do is get your camera exposed so the sensor's facing up, and then you put the swab in and line it up so it's like pretty much right across the sensor. The swab will pretty much cover the whole entire height of the sensor. And you're gonna start on one side all the way over and put just a little bit of pressure. You don't wanna put a lot of pressure, basically enough where it sets on it, and then just like the smallest amount of pressure on top of that, and just wipe it across all the way across. Then flip it around so the dry side of the swab is what you're gonna use this time. Start it on the side that you ended at, and just kind of wipe it over again. Check out your sensor, see if it got all the dust or whatever you had on it off. If it did, then you're all set there. Otherwise, you can get another swab and do the exact same thing again. If it didn't get everything, if there's still a little bit of like dust or something on your sensor, you can always do one more pass with a different swab because the one you just used is probably gonna have some dirt on it, so you don't wanna use that again. And there you go, it's as simple as that. Just make sure you don't push too hard on the sensor, but you still have to put a little bit of pressure on it to make sure you actually get the dust and pick everything up. And that's how it's done. So after this, you should have a perfectly clean, spotless sensor, ready to take some awesome photos. So that wraps this video up. Feel free to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. I'll have more of these quick tips videos in the future, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you in the next video.